If you've been following Dirt Race Life, then you know, like last summer, we ended up overheating the motor and like, I think we just destroyed it. It seized up, that's for sure. But the motor was wore out regardless. It was one that we just patched up and we had gotten all we could get out of it. So the car's been sitting ever since last summer. She's wanting to get back in the leafer before the end of the season. So I guess it's time to get busy, y'all. This episode here though, we'll do a little tear down. Let's go up and put it up in the trailer. We'll have to wash it. If you'll get that side off, I guess I'll start pulling. Oh yeah. Everything. Gotta pop the headers loose and unwire it. All that kind of work don't no racer want to do. If I'm not badly mistaken, I believe that we've got a broke crankshaft in this thing, because when we'd spin the starter over, it was spinning the flywheel back there, but like none of the cylinders were, you could tell they weren't working. So we'll put it up on the engine stand and see, but I'm pretty sure we broke the crankshaft. Oh, come around here and look. You ain't even looked, have you?
Oh my goodness.
Ain't that pretty? You got a number on that, girl. You got a number on that one. Anyway.
Just a few holes.
Just a few. Just a few, look, y'all. Oh, you can laugh now. I was crying that night, but you see what happened to the center of the crankshaft right here?
She's toast.
She's toast. The heads, who knows? Probably cracked between the exhaust valves in the center, but you know, who knows? We'll keep them and we'll take them up here to Robert and ask him if he can put some Magnaflux on them and take a real good hard look at them. And then if they're good, you know, of course he can go through them and make them ready to go like a rock star again. Yeah, ooh, it got hot. Ooh.
Scratched up.
Yeah, and all these pistons have just turned white on top. You know, it got hot. It got hot.
Oh yeah, you can see where it rubbed all down in there.
Yeah, it got hot. Right now, I'm sitting here thinking, do we go cast crank? You know, just bare bones cast crank with a 5.7 rod and a hyperetic. Or do we go ahead and put a forged crank in it and, you know, put some SRP pistons or something? I'm going to just price and see where everything's at. We're not planning on turning, you know, we're running a hydraulic cam. We're going to continue to run a hydraulic cam, you know, with stamped rocker arms. So we're not going to turn the RPM. So I don't really need a forged crank. So, you know, we'll see what the price difference is and stuff. If we can get a rotating assembly for $500 or $600 less and get it balanced with a good, like a Scat 9000 nodular cast crank, something like that. Yeah, so if we can do that and it's, you know, several $100s less, we'll probably just do that, because the engine's not going to see the RPM, so there's just no need. Other than that, I think that's where we're at, right?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know, what, 3 or 4 weeks. 3 or 4 weeks. We should probably, maybe we can make a couple races with it in about October. So we're just coming into September. I'm going to be out of town again in a couple of weeks. That's going to hurt us, but I'll have all the parts ordered and coming in during that time. So anyway, stick around. Finally getting some leaf spring stuff going on, some engine building stuff going on. A lot of episodes coming. Make sure y'all are subscribed. I will see you next time.